What's up? My name is Moise Nicolas, and today we're going to unbox the new iPad Air. So here in this box is the new iPad Air. I also picked up the new Apple Pencil as well. I have not had an iPad since...
Come on, think.
My issue with iPad is that it always felt like a bigger iPhone. And to be real with you, I don't need two iPhones. I got a little excited seeing the new iPad Pros. Almost ready to jump on the bandwagon, and then I heard rumors of them announcing this guy. So that's where the new iPad Air comes in for me. By the way, I am a filmmaker and a photographer, so I wanted to put this thing to the test to see if it could edit my photos as well as edit some on-the-go videos. So if you would like to see me edit photos or do some on-the-go video, stick around, subscribe to the channel, and I will have that video coming shortly after this unboxing video. But let's get to what everybody's here for, the unboxing. Here we go. So to start things out, we're gonna rip the package open. If I can get it open. Here it is, the new iPad Air in all its glory. I decided to go with the space gray version because honestly, I'm not really that interested in the other colors, so I felt like you can't go wrong with the space gray or the graphite version if I decide to go with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think that's what it's called, all these names. Anyway, here we are with the iPad Air, and let's unbox it. First, we're gonna pull this tab here. Messed that up. Yeah. Now we're going to take the box off. If I can get it off. Uh-oh. I'm missing something here. This thing's packed tight. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We have the iPad Air. We're gonna put that to the side and see what else is in the box. We have the Design by Apple book and all the information and how to use it, and I'm sure there's some Apple stickers in here somewhere. There always is. Oh, there they go. You get two Apple stickers with the iPad Air. Put that to the side. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable in the box. I don't know why Apple doesn't do USB-C to USB-C clear across the board. To me, Apple, that would make more sense, but I don't know, it's Apple, so well, you know. And we also have the 20-watt charger brick. Now this is good news for me because I do plan on upgrading to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this will fit perfectly on my iPhone 12 Pro Max because we all know that they're not coming with a charger brick, so now I can use this for both my phone and my iPad. But this is also going to act as a fast charge to my iPhone and just a regular charger to my iPad. Let's get that out the way. So with everything unboxed, you know, we have the Apple stickers and information. We have the USB-C to USB-C. We have the 20-watt charger brick. And now I'm going to peel off the plastic for the iPad Air. Isn't that just looks so beautiful? And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the new space gray iPad Air 2020, and it looks really good. I'm gonna power it on. As I power it on, it does have this new Touch ID sensor. I don't know if you can see that in camera, but we do have the new Touch ID sensor. It also only comes with one camera compared to the two cameras and a LiDAR sensor from the iPad Pro. This thing is beautiful and it's light. It's actually really light. You can also use the Apple Pencil Gen 2 on this thing. I will take that out the box here in a second after I get this going. I'm gonna go ahead and set up Touch ID. And we're gonna use this finger first. Now we're just finishing up the setup process, and I will set up Apple Pay later. Definitely switching this to dark mode. And we are here. Welcome to iPad. So this is my first look at the iPad Air. I have it up and ready to go. It definitely comes with all the pre-installed Apple apps. I will be taking all of those away and really customizing this thing to really fit what I want my aesthetic to be. Now that we have the iPad Air unboxed, I'm going to open the Apple Pencil and go ahead and connect that. Also designed in California. I'm sure there's more paperwork. I don't really care about that stuff. But here is the Apple Pencil. And I think to connect this thing, all you have to do, honestly, is put it there. And that's simple. So there's a lot to like about the new iPad Air. It comes in 5 different finishes: silver, space gray, rose gold, green, and sky blue. You get 2 capacity options, 64 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. Comes in at a really nice price at $599. And you can spec it up to the 256 gig for $699. It comes in at 1 pound, so this thing is really light. It has the new Touch ID sensor, which I really do like. Unfortunately, it doesn't have Face ID, but I think Touch ID will do just fine, especially now that we're wearing masks. It does have Apple Pencil 2 support. I haven't really noticed the ProMotion 120Hz display in the iPad Pro, so I honestly can't tell you the difference between the 60Hz and the 120Hz. I think if you're a creator and your iPad is the only thing that you create with, I would recommend going with the iPad Pro because it does have the stronger chipset with the 8-core CPU. Me personally, I'll be using my iPad Pro to edit small videos as well as editing in Photoshop and Lightroom with photography. Definitely be prepared to see a video about that. So that was the unboxing of the iPad Air 2020. Leave me some comments down in the comment section below to let me know what you guys would like to see in a full review. Again, I am a photographer and a filmmaker, so I will be aiming at the film and photography side of the iPad Air and seeing what it can do. With all that being said, my name is Moise Nicolas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be looking out for the full review of the iPad Air 2020. And that is all from me, guys. Have a good day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.